off. Bigger than from the F to no. All right, this next one is another one of those very popular trad sets. And some people will do this in like for their modern set, but I've only heard it for like a slow version.
Okay.
But we can listen to it at a 108.
I mean, I love Blackbird. I love the trad set.
Yeah, maybe too much of a spoiler for trad set tier list one day, but Blackbird is my favorite trad set.
I feel like this is not the same as St. Patrick's Day.
It gives me the same vibe of like, I hear this and I go, I want to go faster. I want to do the trad version.
Yeah, maybe the 108, but can we listen to it at 76?
It's just even slower. It's okay. It's got a good groove, like a good smooth groove for like a 76 where you want to be connecting. I don't think it's as bad.
It's definitely not as bad as St. Patrick's Day. I would put it maybe above White Blanket.
So it's falling either here in F or top of...
Yeah, top of C, or bottom of C. I like it, and I like the 108.
See, I'd probably... Yeah, okay. Because I'd probably build a Blackbird over a Big Man Within.